Let's make this absolutely delicious 100% natural purple fried rice, which you can use to excite your guests this season. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Remy and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. Without further ado, let's make this gorgeous rice. The star of the show today is red cabbage, or what some people like to call purple cabbage. So I'm going to take out the outer part, which are getting dry, wash and blend smoothly in my blender. I added a bit of water to aid the blending process. Please let me know if you like all the yummy recipes I've been sharing on this channel in preparation for Christmas. And if you have not seen them, go watch them after watching this video. I am sure you're going to like them. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done that already. I have loads of amazing recipes and useful tips and tricks. I am done blending the cabbage and I'm going to pass it through a sieve to collect the juice. Done with that, I'll transfer the juice into a pot and bring to a boil. Once it comes to a rolling boil, I'm going to add washed rice. I'm using basmati rice for this. I added a little salt to this, but unfortunately my camera didn't capture that. I'll cover slightly and let it cook for some 15 minutes. In another pot, I'm going to add some vegetable oil, allow that to heat up and add some chopped onions and minced garlic. After frying that for 1 to 2 minutes, I'm going to add some diced carrots. I'll fry this for 1 minute before I add the other vegetables. That's just because carrot is the toughest vegetable I'm using here. Now it's time to add my peppers. I'm using red, green and yellow bell peppers. Some sweet corn. Just 2 more minutes and I'll be done with this. I added 1 star cube and some salt to the vegetables. This is looking good already and I cannot wait to show you the end result. It's time to check on the rice and look at that beautiful color. I did add some frozen peas to this. And this is well cooked, no more water in this, and it's looking so good. All I need to do now is add the cooked rice to the vegetables which have been fried and mix everything together. I decided not to use any other spice in this dish because I want to keep it very simple. So I'm just going to mix this all together. Look at how the colors work together so beautifully. Try this and I can assure you that your guests will be fascinated by how beautiful and so unique this is. Do make sure to assure them that this is 100% natural and no artificial coloring is involved. You can even share this recipe with them. To finish this off, I added some spring onions and tossed for another 1 to 2 minutes, and our delicious 100% natural purple fried rice is ready. You can pair this with salad, with coleslaw, plantains, whatever you choose. This is so good, so yum. Make sure to try this and let me know how it goes. For more delicious and exciting recipes like this, useful tips and tricks to take your cooking to the next level, subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching today's video. I will see you with another fantastic recipe very soon. Until then, take care of you. Happy holidays.